Hi guys, it's Channing here. What if I told you that I was sitting here the whole entire time and I thought I was recording and I wasn't? I've done a full out intro. I've begun, blowing out my hair. I told you my hair story. Okay, anyways. We're gonna start over. I started this video with my hair back in a ponytail because I had this cheese silk infusion in my hair. Yesterday I was rushing after I washed out my deep conditioner. I dried my hair the best that I could, applied, a head full of this, slicked my hair back into a ponytail, pulled it back where I had it. So today, the day before Christmas Eve, here I am, finally blowing out my hair. However, my hair is straight. So I'm using my extremely cheap Conair with no name on it blow dryer to stretch my hair out and try to get, my hair to a point at least where I can flat iron. I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, I'm flat ironing it. I'll be using this once I'm done with this, okay? I'm sorry. I have so much going on and I honestly thought that I was recording. Ugh, that sucks. Anyways, I'm working on a really stubborn area. Oh, this fiction got me cursing. Oh my goodness. But my hair was wet and I did not go through and braid it, detangle, you know what I'm saying? I didn't do what I was supposed to do. While my hair was wet yesterday. I just love the smell of it. Oh my gosh. It smells like a man. A man I don't have. Why did I decide to do this, y'all? Who put me up to this? Okay. Y'all like my eye makeup? I don't normally comb through my hair when it's dry. I could probably count on 2 hands how many times I've done it. Maybe even 1. In the last, how long have I been natural? Next year will be, did I go natural in 2010 or 2009? Either way, it'll be 8 or 9 years. 9 or 10 years, my bad. 9 or 10 years soon. In January. I have to look back and figure that out for you guys. Ooh, Chile. I was trying to finger detangle it, y'all. My hair said nah. No. It didn't just say no, it said hell no. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm hot. I'm hot and I'm hurting. This is my Cortex flat iron. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull my hair up and start flat ironing. I use this cheese silk infusion. I'm also going to be going behind my hair with my rat tail comb. I used to use this brush right here, but I've started using it, you know, to do my ponytails. Well, I had to, because my sister had stolen my brush. But I'm not gonna use a brush this time. But if you want to, you can use a bristled brush. Just make sure it's not one that'll pull your hair out, obviously. So we're gonna start in sections. I know, I had pulled it up in a ponytail. We're working in 4 sections. So what you want to do is line your comb up. I'm sure y'all know how to flat iron your freaking hair. But yeah. You do just like that. Yes, girl. Okay. I'm gonna use a smaller comb this time. Honey. I ain't had my hair straight in a year. You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing if I burn my shoulder either. The second time I felt a little heat on my shoulder. Girl. Okay, let's move to the second section. I feel it on my back too. Growth. Okay, let's do this. And my flat iron is not on, it's not quite on 400, but it's like really close. Really close. I'm gonna have to clip these ends, honey. I'm so happy. I can't see anything. Can't see what's going on. So y'all, I've completed one side and it's still poofy. It's like really poofy like. That's an issue I've been having with my natural hair lately. Anytime that I straighten it, it's like it's so poofy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this side right here. I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing that I just did, that I showed y'all. So I'll probably show, like, when I edit it, I'll show you guys like a few little pieces of it going in, going out, you know, because y'all know how to straighten your hair, right? Okay, y'all, so my hair was still poofy as crap after I had blow dried it and everything. So I applied some of the Silk Elements Olive Heat Protection Spray. If you guys can see that. Looks like this. Mega Silk. I've used it before, but I want it to have a, you know, I don't want a poofy blowout at all. So I sprayed my hair down with that. And I went through it with the blow dryer just a tad bit. And then I rolled it into a bun. And now I'm going to take it loose. It's not as poofy as it was before. A little trick for you guys. So now I'm getting ready to add these flexi rods to my hair. In most cases I would do 3. Not sure if I'll do 3 or if I'll do 4, but I bought 5 in here just in case. What I need to do right now, because I don't have any type of curl in my hair, is I need to actually go through and add some curls to my hair. And guys, don't worry about heat damage. I've never had any heat damage, y'all. I'm telling you, never had heat damage. But yeah, I used the Chi Silk Infusion, and I used this right here when I had to go back over it. Yeah, I've used these before. It's just I just love the smell of this. That's honestly why I like to use that. But yeah, you can spray this on your hair while it's damp before drying, or spray it on dry hair before using any heat styling appliances. It's formulated with olive oil and silk protein. It helps to protect the hair from damage caused by heated appliances, and it leaves the hair soft and silky while providing a luxurious shine. I like more of a sleek curl. I don't really care for a poofy, you know. My hair will revert quicker if I leave it poofy. So yeah, and as far as my ends are concerned, you know, I'll get those together. I might do that tomorrow. I don't really feel like it right now. Yeah, I really just need my hair to work with me right now and just get some curls. And then I'm going to wrap the flexi rod around each section, leave that in overnight, and tomorrow there we go. Tomorrow it will be everything. Okay, also, this is how it looks. All done. And I'm about to put this scarf on. And yeah, I'll sleep with this on, and I will show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'll clip my ends tomorrow or what I'll do, but we'll just see how it goes. I'll be back to show you guys the results.